Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to close a program in Task Manager. Sometimes a program may stop responding or become frozen on your computer. When this happens, Task Manager can be used to force the application to close. Now, follow these steps below to safely end a program using Task Manager in Windows. To begin, turn on your Windows computer and sign in if necessary. Open the program you want to close if it is not already running. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Choose the Processes tab. Scroll through the list of running applications and processes. Locate the program you want to close. Click the program once highlighted. Verify that you selected the correct application. Click the End Task button in the bottom right corner. Wait a few moments for Windows to close the program. Then check that the application no longer appears in the processes list. Repeat the process for any other unresponsive programs if needed. Close Task Manager after you have finished managing your running applications. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.